My personal venture into the area of health and wellness first started with the death of my mother. She had suffered for over a year from end-stage liver failure. Watching her suffer was incredibly difficult. During this time, I was also caring for my ailing father, taking him to visit Mom in the hospital and nursing homes, and taking him to his many hospital and doctor visits. After Mom passed, I finally started to have some downtime. It was then that I started to think about my own mortality, and from it my desire to live longer than my own mother. However, because of Dad's deteriorating health, I did not make much progress in the area until late last year. On July 5th, 2017, he suddenly and unexpectedly passed away. I was crushed because he had become my best friend, but he was also aware of the toll caring for two families and working full-time was having on me. It was one worry that he had for me. After his passing, I reaffirmed my desire to live a healthier, happier life. But first I had to figure out what that would mean for me. I had to figure out what health and wellness means. It's not just the absence of illnesses that plagued both my parents, but it is a sense of satisfaction, happiness, and contentedness in my personal life. Wellness for me then embodies a whole health living. If there are any areas of my life that is out of balance, it has an impact on all the other areas of my life. It's important to root out the source of discontent and determine what course of action, if any, can be taken to make changes. To make this happen in my life, I have done several things, including entering into this degree program and looking into what I need to do to become a certified life coach, setting up doctor appointments to ensure that there are no issues or concerns at this time, started attending the YMCA with my daughters several times a week, and putting a more concerted effort into attending church on a regular basis. By doing these things, I hope to achieve my goals and develop an overall